It's 2018, and communication is taking a new form. Video is the new power.
You are going to be self-sufficient in a completely different way.
By the simple tip, it's so important.
Of course, the very best relationship is a personal one.
Suddenly, I had permission to wear the more exciting styles.
Why I'm standing here talking to you.
Find out where your passion is.
Whatever you do, wherever you are, the Vlog Academy is here to help you with your video needs. We give training courses.
These are the little things that will make a difference.
We teach you how to vlog on your smartphone. We teach individuals and groups. We give online training, and we talk at conferences and events.
I'm going to show you a little trick what to do in a situation like this.
We want to break down your fears, inspire you to start filming. We work with you in front of the camera to build up your confidence.
Do you feel we have eye contact now?
We demystify vlogging for you.
I'm just going to show you where you can position this slide.
You can grow a global audience without even leaving your desk. We can film everything for you.
Coco and dogs, no way.
Share your expertise, and we'll make sure you reach your target audience. No need to be overwhelmed. We'll get your business up to speed. The Vlog Academy, we're here to help.